Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is he called me fat but I'm not. He called me fat but I'm not. उसने मुझे मोटा कहा लेकिन मैं नहीं हूँ. Second, I don't know where from I look fat him. I don't know where from I look fat him. मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं उसे कहाँ से मोटा लगता हूँ. 3. Water supplier has come. Water supplier has come. पानी वाला आया है. 4. Catch that thief. Catch that thief. पकड़ो पकड़ो उस चोर को. 5. It have been cold all day long today. It have been cold all day long today. आज सारा दिन सर्दी रही. 6. My head is killing me. My head is killing me. मेरा सर दर्द से फट रहा है. 7. Cough doesn't let me sleep. Cough doesn't let me sleep. खांसी की वजह से मैं सो नहीं सका. 8. He is still worried about that accident. He is still worried about that accident. वो अभी भी उस हादसे के बारे में परेशान है. 9. Because his son has died in an accident. Because his son has died in an accident. क्योंकि उसका बेटा एक हादसे में मारा गया. The last one is 10. May Allah bless patience to his mother. May Allah bless patience to his mother. अल्लाह उसकी माँ को सब्र जमील अता फरमाए. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.